Welcome back to NextGen 2050. Today we step inside America's radical new 250-seat aircraft that's terrifying the entire aviation industry.
This is no ordinary airliner. Its merged wing-body design defies a century of traditional aircraft engineering.
We are about to walk inside the finished machine before anyone reveals exactly how engineers built it. Hello, welcome inside.
Inside, the cabin feels nothing like a normal jet. This shape changes everything about air travel.
Look at this space. The blended wing body gives passengers room no traditional airplane fuselage could ever offer.
Every corridor inside this aircraft was engineered around airflow, weight distribution, and impossible new interior geometry. Engineers gave passengers something airlines have dreamed about for decades: genuine open volume above their heads.
This cockpit barely resembles a normal jet's. These screens are managing systems no pilot has trained on before.
Behind this glass sits an entirely new digital nervous system, quietly monitoring every wing and engine sensor.
Beneath the passengers lies a hidden service spine, carrying power, data, and hydraulic lines through impossible geometry. Here, where wing meets body, engineers solved the hardest structural puzzle in modern aviation history. Every surface inside this aircraft was chosen for weight savings, measured in single-digit grams per panel. Even the galley was redesigned, squeezed into a shape that traditional tube and wing jets never had to consider.
Toward the rear, hidden compartments store equipment engineers never imagined fitting inside a passenger aircraft before. This crew rest module is tucked inside the wing structure itself. I didn't expect this much hidden space here.
This space exists only because the blended wing shape created volume no ordinary fuselage could ever provide.
Below the passengers, an automated cargo system slides containers into position using rail-guided robotic mechanisms.
This automated loading system was engineered to cut ground turnaround time by nearly half an hour.
These reinforced landing struts were built to absorb loads far beyond what conventional airliners typically experience. We've now toured the finished machine, but something far deeper explains how this shape became possible. Every flight this aircraft takes is monitored in real time by an entire operational command network.
This wall tracks every engine, every sensor, every wing stress point in real time. It's honestly overwhelming to watch.
Thousands of embedded sensors report structural stress data back to engineers before problems ever surface. Fuel constantly shifts between wing tanks, balancing the aircraft's unusual center of gravity during flight operations. Ultrasonic scanning teams check every composite seam for microscopic flaws invisible to the naked eye.
Even a hairline inconsistency inside the composite skin can trigger a full inspection protocol immediately.
This aircraft's flight computer processes more data per second than commercial jets built only a decade ago.
Before ever touching the real aircraft, pilots must master this radically unfamiliar flight control philosophy first.
Simulator is offline.
The blended wing shape changes how the aircraft responds to turbulence, requiring entirely new pilot instincts.
This crosswind landing feels completely different from a normal jet. The wide body reacts in ways I didn't expect.
This same silhouette was tested thousands of times inside wind tunnels, long before metal ever touched steel.
Engineers studied every curve for airflow separation, chasing efficiency gains measured in fractions of a percent. Every material inside this aircraft was stress-tested to failure long before certification engineers approved its use. These failure points define exactly how much margin engineers built into every structural component on board.
Behind every internal system lies months of coordination between structural engineers, pilots, and certification authorities.
Every rivet and panel began as a digital blueprint inside a system tracking millions of data points. Engineers reshaped the wing spar dozens of times, chasing the perfect balance of weight and strength.
This is where the real challenge lived. Merging wing and fuselage into one shape broke almost every existing design rule.
These stress maps reveal exactly where forces concentrate during turbulence, takeoff, and emergency maneuver scenarios.
Supercomputers ran millions of simulated flights before a single real prototype component was ever manufactured.
Pressurizing a non-cylindrical cabin required solving physics problems traditional aircraft never had to face.
Every design decision passed through fierce internal debate before advancing to physical prototype construction stages.
No, that angle won't withstand the aerodynamic stress.
Scale models emerged first, allowing engineers to physically examine proportions no screen could fully represent. This composite weave pattern took years to perfect, balancing flexibility against catastrophic failure resistance.
This material barely weighs anything, yet engineers tell me it can withstand forces most metals simply cannot survive.
Over 300 kilometers of internal wiring connect every system inside this single aircraft structure.
Every connector inside this network had to survive extreme vibration testing before final certification approval.
The engines powering this aircraft underwent thousands of hours of isolated testing before ever installation. Each blade was individually balanced to microscopic tolerances, preventing catastrophic vibration at cruising speed.
These engines were specifically tuned to match the aerodynamic demands of this unusual wing shape.
Before any shape existed, raw material had to arrive and pass rigorous certification inspection standards.
Automated cutting systems shape composite sheets to exact specifications, tolerances measured in fractions of millimeters.
Robots layer carbon fiber tape hundreds of times, slowly forming the massive wing panel's underlying shape.
Heat and pressure fuse each fiber layer into a single rigid structure, stronger than traditional aluminum sheeting.
Watching this robot lay carbon fiber layer by layer is mesmerizing. One wing panel takes days to complete.
Inside this autoclave, extreme heat and pressure transform raw fiber into a finished structural component. This curing cycle runs for hours, and any deviation could compromise the entire wing panel's integrity.
What emerges is a single continuous structure, lighter and stronger than anything built from riveted metal. Overhead cranes move each panel with millimeter precision, avoiding even the slightest accidental surface contact.
Every surface undergoes manual inspection, hunting for microscopic flaws that automated scanners might have missed.
While composites form the skin, titanium and steel still form this aircraft's toughest structural components.
Landing gear components begin as molten metal, poured and forged under conditions few people ever witness.
Precision machining shapes raw titanium blocks into components accurate to within microscopic tolerance levels. This machining process alone can take days to complete a single landing gear strut component.
I can feel the heat from here. This single strut has to support the entire weight of this aircraft landing.
Even the cockpit glass required custom shaping to match this aircraft's unusually angled forward silhouette. Each windshield must survive simulated impacts at speeds exceeding what commercial aircraft normally encounter. Every circuit board undergoes multiple inspection stages before being cleared for aerospace-grade installation approval. A single faulty solder joint could compromise an entire flight control system months down the line. Even cabin materials undergo flame resistance testing long before ever reaching a passenger seat cushion.
These materials must self-extinguish within seconds, a critical safety requirement for passenger cabin certification. The test result is recorded as successful.
Every raw material has now been transformed into a component, ready for the true assembly challenge.
Inside this hangar, every fabricated piece finally comes together into a single, unified airframe structure.
Positioning tolerances here are measured in millimeters, despite each section weighing several tons apiece.
Seeing this section lowered into place makes me realize just how enormous this aircraft truly is up close.
Robotic welders fuse structural joints with consistency human hand could reliably replicate at this scale. Each weld undergoes X-ray inspection immediately afterward, checking for hidden voids beneath the surface. Attaching wing to body here recreates, at full scale, what engineers first proved inside wind tunnels. Thousands of fasteners lock this joint together, each torqued to an exact, individually recorded specification.
Keep it steady, down just a fraction. 2 degrees right, perfect. Watch the clearance, easy now.
Hundreds of connections must be verified before this engine is cleared for its first ground test. The aircraft's shape is finally recognizable, even as thousands of internal systems remain unfinished inside.
Every wire bundle follows a meticulously planned route, avoiding structural stress points throughout the airframe.
These insulation layers manage both cabin noise and extreme temperature differences at cruising altitude.
This barely looks like the same aircraft I toured earlier. Right now, it's just wires, frames, and raw potential.
Laser alignment ensures every floor panel sits perfectly level, despite the fuselage's unconventional curved shape. Even overhead storage bins required custom engineering to fit this aircraft's unusually wide cabin ceiling. 250 seats will eventually fill this space, each one individually secured and safety tested.
Every seat must withstand forces far beyond normal flight, protecting passengers during extreme emergency scenarios.
Steady as she goes, a little to the left. Affirmative, left 11 inches. Watch the clearance, 2 inches. Slowing down, almost there. Engaging clamps, we are secured.
Thousands of individual signals must synchronize perfectly between cockpit and airframe before any power is applied.
Engaging. Lift, slowly. Aligning with the bracket now. Precise. Perfect. Locking into position.
Any hydraulic leak here could compromise the entire braking and steering system during ground operations. Every exterior seam is smoothed to reduce drag, since even tiny imperfections affect long-term efficiency.
You genuinely cannot feel where one panel ends and another begins. That precision directly saves fuel at cruising altitude.
The aircraft now stands fully assembled, though its most rigorous testing challenges still lie ahead.
Beneath this facility runs an entire hidden network, supporting testing operations most visitors never see. This cooling infrastructure manages heat generated during ground-based engine and hydraulic system testing procedures.
An artificial intelligence system continuously cross-checks thousands of sensor readings for early warning signs.
This system never sleeps. It's watching every stress point on this aircraft, 24 hours a day, constantly.
This underground fuel network supplies precisely measured quantities for every ground and flight test conducted.
These tunnels connect every critical system, allowing technicians to service infrastructure without disrupting operations above. Redundant power systems ensure testing never halts, even during unexpected electrical grid disruptions nearby.
Every backup system undergoes regular testing, ensuring instant activation during any critical infrastructure failure.
This data center stores every second of test data, building a permanent record for certification review. This hidden digital backbone quietly supports everything happening inside the hangar above it right now.
After months of hidden construction, the aircraft finally emerges for its first real operational testing phase.
Hearing these engines fire up for the first time gives me chills. This machine is finally about to move.
Ground crews track every meter of this taxi test, verifying steering and braking systems under real conditions.
Brake systems undergo repeated stress cycles, simulating the demands of hundreds of future passenger flights.
This acceleration run pushes the aircraft to takeoff speed without leaving the ground, testing structural response.
For the first time, this radical design leaves the ground, carrying years of engineering into open sky. Early flight data confirms this design achieves fuel efficiency gains previous generations of aircraft never reached.
I'm actually flying inside it right now. This wing shape genuinely changes how smooth the entire flight feels.
Airlines worldwide have already placed orders, eager to deploy this aircraft across their busiest global routes.
What began as a hidden engineering mystery now prepares to carry ordinary passengers across the globe. This aircraft's efficiency could reshape airline route planning, connecting cities previously considered too costly to serve. Industry analysts now suggest this design may influence how every future passenger aircraft gets engineered. For the engineers behind it, this moment represents years of hidden work finally taking flight publicly.
If you think this aircraft looked massive up close, its impact on aviation's future is even bigger. See you next time.